Are you ready to see the camera that is about to change everything for creators? Imagine having the power of a professional flagship camera tucked inside a compact and affordable body. Today we are diving deep into the massive leaks surrounding the highly anticipated Canon EOS R7 Mark II. The next generation of APS-C power. This is not just a small update to an old model. It is a complete rethink of what an APS-C camera can actually do. The original R7 was a massive hit when it launched back in 2022, but it certainly had its flaws. The rumors for 2026 suggest Canon is building a masterpiece, the mini EOS R1. Hybrid. Many experts are already calling this new camera a mini EOS R1. This device sits at the center of a major transformation for the entire Canon lineup. It is designed to bridge the gap between hobbyist gear and professional tools. You are looking at a machine built for speed and precision. A revolutionary new sensor. The biggest news by far involves the brand new sensor technology. We are talking about a 39 to 40 megapixel stacked BSI sensor. This would be a historic first for Canon's crop sensor cameras. A stacked sensor changes the game because it allows for lightning-fast readout speeds, eliminating the rolling shutter. Why does a stacked sensor matter so much to you? This technology could finally solve the rolling shutter issues that bothered many original R7 users. Can record fast-moving subjects without seeing that annoying distorted jello effect. It makes the electronic shutter actually usable for professional work. Extreme speed and performance per second with a completely silent electronic shutter. You will get zero viewfinder blackout while capturing the action. This is professional level performance in a much smaller and more affordable body. It puts high-end sports photography into the hands of more people. The death of the mechanical shutter. Some rumors even suggest that Canon might remove the mechanical shutter entirely. This would be a very bold move for a camera in this class. However, with a fast enough sensor, a mechanical shutter is no longer necessary. This change would make the camera more durable and much faster. A better body design. Canon is also listening to your feedback regarding the physical body design. The original R7 was praised for being lightweight, but many found the button layout a bit cramped. The R7 Mark II is expected to be slightly larger to improve the overall ergonomics. It will feel more robust. Improved grip and handling. It will likely feel more like the EOS R5 Mark II in your hand. The joystick is expected to move back to a traditional spot for easier access. The grip will also be much deeper than before. This is fantastic news if you spend all day using big and heavy telephoto lenses. Perfect balance for long days. Better balance means you will feel much less fatigued during long shoots. Whether you are at a sporting event or out in the woods, comfort matters. This design ensures that the camera remains a tool that helps you rather than hinders you. It is built for the working professional. Dual processor powerhouse under the hood. The processing power is doubling up for this generation. We expect the new DIGIC Accelerator chip to work alongside the classic DIGIC X processor. This dual processor combo is a huge upgrade. It allows the camera to handle massive amounts of data without slowing down. Flagship AI autofocus features. This extra power brings flagship AI autofocus features directly from the top-tier R1 and R5 models. This means subject tracking will be stickier and more accurate than ever before. It uses deep learning to understand exactly what you are trying to photograph. It is incredibly smart. Locked-on target tracking. Whether you are tracking a bird through thick branches or a race car on a track, the camera will lock on. Once it finds your subject, it stays there regardless of obstacles. This takes the guesswork out of difficult shots. You can focus on your composition while the camera handles the focus. A revolution for video shooters. Video shooters are not being left out of this technological revolution. Leaks suggest the R7 Mark II might support incredible 8K video recording. It will also likely offer 4000 at 120 frames per second for stunning slow-motion shots. This makes it a beast for content creation. Cinema-grade standards with 10-bit color and Canon Log 3. This APS-C camera moves very close to cinema-grade standards. It provides the flexibility you need for professional color grading. You can match this footage with high-end cinema cameras easily. It is a versatile tool for any production. Advanced cooling solutions. The camera might even support the special cooling grip from the R5 Mark II. This would prevent overheating during long 4K filming sessions in hot environments. For the first time, a crop sensor camera might truly be a primary tool for high-end filmmakers. It is no longer just a backup. Massive stabilization boost in body image stabilization is also getting a massive boost in this new model. We are hearing reports of up to 8.5 stops of stabilization. This would surpass major competitors like the Sony a6700 and Fujifilm X-H2. It is a significant lead for Canon in this department. Handheld. Low light shooting. This level of stabilization makes handheld shooting in low light much more practical. You can use slower shutter speeds without worrying about blurry images. It means you can leave your heavy tripod at home more often. Your kit becomes lighter and more mobile for every trip. Never miss the moment. Another exciting feature is the addition of pre-buffered shooting. The camera can start saving images before you even click the shutter button fully. This is a lifesaver. For wildlife photographers, you will never miss the exact moment a bird takes flight ever again. The ultimate value camera, in my best opinion. If Canon delivers on these specs, the R7 Mark II will be the absolute best value camera on the market. It provides extra reach for your lenses without the massive full-frame price tag. It truly honors the legacy of the legendary 7D series. Release date and pricing. We expect the official announcement to happen in late 2025 or early 2026, while the price might jump to around $1,800 or $2,000. The technology inside justifies every penny. It is a powerhouse designed for the next generation of creators. This is the camera we have been waiting for.